Dude, you're on. Let's get it. Yeah, whatever you want to do. I can't go too far. Carburetor still now. Still soft. Difficulties. Oh, my tire. It's not good. I was going to tell you. But I don't mind running around a little bit slower. It just stalled?
Yeah.
Like,
No, it bogged.
It bogged out when you were throttling in gear? Oh, right.
It gave out by the front of our house.
It moved? I don't know what that is. I'm fucking act like a pump.
Yeah, now it didn't even turn it over.
Huh?
It didn't even turn it over.
But it's still,
It was running right for a second. It was running good.
it feels like it feels smooth? Really? Alright, that's probably,
Everything was good. This was just tight.
okay.
That's
Oh, how does the clutch, when you grab right away?
huh?
Does it grab right away? Because they won't start, it'll shut off if the clutch is engaged. So, like, I don't know, man, maybe. God, man, I'm like half a turn away from like, nothing? Here, take Deuce for a ride, dude. Go rip it for a minute. Let's see if it'll... He's not gonna... It'll stall, but it'll start back up. The carburetor's good.